Okay, so alright, so here's how you can fix your driver that is not showing on your device manager. If your NVIDIA is not showing on device manager, in here, display drivers, if this one is not in here, then the first thing you should check is that if your driver is still working or not. The first thing you should check is that you should first turn this off, shut down, and then after shutting it down, let's wait for a moment, and then you should turn it on again, and then press F2, press it again and again, press F2, F2, okay. Now the first thing you should check in here in BIOS, so the first thing you should check is that you should find the NVIDIA in here. So the first thing is this one, the graphics. So if NVIDIA is showing in your BIOS, then that means your NVIDIA or your RTX or your NVIDIA GeForce is still working. So it's not on the computer itself or on the hardware, I think, or what do you call that, I don't know. But yeah, if it is still shown in here, that means that's still working. So because it's still there, it's working. So the first thing is you should save and exit. Okay, then you should turn this on. Okay, now after that one, you should go to Armoury Crate, since this is Asus, where I'm using Armoury Crate or AMD. Second thing you should do is go to devices, and then go to devices, and then click your computer, and then go to audio, and then there's something that says here that you should update, or in here, this one. So if something says update, then you should update that. And then after updating that, you should install your downloaded driver from the from the NVIDIA itself, NVIDIA website, graphics download. Then you should download your compatible graphics in here. So depending on your product type, you should search in here and then download. So that, I think that's all. And then yeah, I think that's how I solved this problem of mine also. Thank you.